Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us for Daily Mortgage Rates Live with the Mortgage Calculator. So, continuing with our self-employed borrower options that we've been accentuating the last couple of days, bank statement is the most popular non-QM sector, comprising probably more than 50% of the loan origination in non-QM. Bank statement loans became very popular after the interest rates started creeping up in the first quarter of 2022 and have most likely picked up the slack in loan origination that the decreases that occurred in the full doc sector, agency mainly, as those borrowers, self-employed borrowers that were able to transitioned from agency full doc using traditional methods like tax returns to alt doc non-QM bank statement options so they could still purchase the home of their dreams. Interest rates have kept dropping in the bank statement sector as liquidity keeps increasing. Now, please do note, as we mentioned the last couple of days, the best option for your self-employed borrowers, if they receive a 1099, would probably be the 1099 option because it does allow 90% of the stated income of the 1099, but that's only if you receive a 1099. Bank statement loans are simply for self-employed people that are depositing the money in a bank account. So let's go ahead and share the options that we have for you for our bank statement loan purchases and refinances. As always, 90% is the maximum LTV for our non-QM loan options. For a primary purchase, never any mortgage insurance applicable on any non-QM loans, regardless of the mortgage of the LTV. And also, at one point, I also wanted to restate, bank statement loans, all non-QM loans are always manually underwritten. So if you need that 1 year option, in this case, 12 months is what you would choose, the 12 months bank statement option, then you would only be looking back the last 12 months. So as those of you that have been following the show and have been seeing the trend that we've been, interest rate trends we've been showing in bank statement loans, can definitely see that it is a downward trend because now look at this amazing rate. 8.375 is our lowest cost option at par, and you can buy that down all the way to 7.5% at a cost of 2.5 points for our 10% down bank statement primary option. Our highest LTV investment option is 85% LTV, 15% down, and great rates here as well. 8.374 at par, lowest cost option, and you can buy that down all the way to 6.999 at a cost of 3.25 points for our 85% LTV bank statement investment purchase. And for our lower credit score borrowers, our lowest credit score option for bank statement loans is 600. That's the same low score, whether it's investment or primary. Maximum LTV is 80% at a 600 credit score, both the same for investment or primary. In this case, I'm sharing the investment rate with you, and you will see 10.999 is our lowest cost option at par, and you can buy that down to 9.375 at a cost of 3.375 points. And for our cash out options, our highest LTV, under a cash out refi is 80%, whether it's primary or investment. So 80% LTV, primary cash out refi, you're actually looking at a lender credit at our lowest cost option, lender credit of 0.125, and you can buy that down all the way to 7% at a cost of 2.5 points for our primary cash out and an 80% LTV. Investment cash out, great news, is also 80% LTV max. You're looking at 7.874 as our lowest cost option at par, and you can buy that down to 6.749, lowest rate option at a cost of 3.5 points. And these are amazing rates when you consider this is 80% LTV, cash out, bank statement, and you're looking at agency rates. And our last option here is our low credit score option, 600 credit score, again being the lowest option available. Actually, that's the lowest option available for all of our alt doc options except for DSCR, where we can actually go down to a 575. So 75% LTV is the maximum LTV for either investment or primary cash out with a 600 credit score. In this case, our investment option, lowest cost option, is 11.25% at par, cost of 0 for that rate. And you can buy that down all the way to 9.625 at a cost of 3.375. So do look to the mortgage calculator for all your bank statement loans. Do be aware also, we're showing you here the lowest rates, right? The best lowest cost option rates for bank statement loans, but all bank statement loans like non-QM loans have different guidelines. So you do have to look beyond just a rate and see what's the structure of the loan to see if there is any particular issues with the loan structure that may require a specific guideline that may have a different interest rate.